how to hold a parcel at a FedEx location. Here's what you want to do. Track your package. You will go to the FedEx app or website and you will enter your tracking number. You want to view the shipment details. There you will select hold at location. If it's eligible, you will get to tap on manage delivery and then choose hold at location. You will then choose a pickup location. You want to view the map or list of nearby FedEx locations and select the one that's most convenient for you. Confirm the hold request. You will review your choice and then tap confirm. Wait for the package to arrive. FedEx will reroute the package if it already wasn't headed there, and you'll get a notification when it's ready for pickup. You will then need to bring ID to pick up. Go to the selected FedEx location, tell them that you're picking up a hold at location package, and show a valid government issued photo ID. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.